Hi, this is Lee with Imagine Research Wire Strippers. This wire stripper here is made in America. The blade is made from hardened tool steel. I have had some customers that have done 20 or 30,000 pounds with one blade without having to change it out or anything. This machine can strip any gauge from 16 all the way up through 500 MCM and even a little bigger than that. It can also do Romex, and it comes with a Romex wheel that we make here, and that comes with the machine. Here that is. This is kind of an older used one. But what you do is you put your Romex in there, strips off the outer sheath, and then you don't have to change the wheel out. You can just put the individual strands right through and it'll fit right in there, 12 gauge and 14. This machine is drill powered, and it is the cheapest machine that works the best out there on the net. We've done a lot of wire stripping with this machine. That's how we developed it and designed it. So we've had a few Chinese companies try to copy this. Maybe you've seen pictures of the Chinese drill powered thing. Those companies have tried to copy our machine. However, theirs does not work, period. It might work a little bit, but I know just by looking at the Chinese version of mine that it doesn't work, because I've had a lot of experience designing this, and I can tell that the Chinese have copied my machine. But this machine, for the price, we've tried to make this thing as dirt cheap as possible for being made in America, and this machine can do everything that the bigger, expensive machines that cost several $1,000s can do. It can do the large gauge wire, small stuff. You can say put in 12 gauge solid or stranded, and you can rig up the machine to where the insulation will come off automatically. We do have a video that shows that. It's on the website. It's the first video. So if you want to go to wirestriper.com, striper is with one P, S-T-R-I-P-E-R, wirestriper.com, and you can see this machine working, doing 500 MCM, 14 gauge, 12 gauge Romex. It's a really good video. It shows exactly what this machine can do. So if you have any questions, you can email me at imagineresearch@hotmail.com, or you can call me at 801-739-4496. Now again, that website is wirestriper.com, stripers with one P, and you should be able to go straight to it. Alright, happy stripping wire. Thanks a lot. Happy New Year.